Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Sharkwoods 5-tier paper organizer, a multifunctional desktop solution crafted from premium wood materials. This organizer is perfect for keeping your desk tidy, offering both 3-tier and 5-tier options to cater to all your office needs, whether it's storing books, magazines, letters, or A4 paper. With its space-saving design, this elegant letter tray not only enhances your workspace but also makes accessing your documents a breeze, thanks to its adjustable tray design with curved partitions. Assembly is a snap with the included screws and tools, making setup quick and hassle-free. Built to last, this sturdy and durable organizer features a smooth, double-layer paint finish that resists dampness, ensuring longevity and continued use. Whether you're at the office, school, or home, the Sharkwoods paper organizer is your go-to solution for efficient and stylish desk organization. So, if you're looking to streamline your workspace, this is the perfect addition to keep everything in order and within reach. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.